Small commitment, okay, will be continued further. Just commit once, will be continued further. Okay, so this type of technique, the people where they are going to use is, sir, you are not required to buy our open plot. Just, sir, I'm sharing my brochure. Okay, the images, just have a look once. Just have a look once. You are not required to visit our site. You are not required to buy our plot. Just, I want to share. Have a look once. Okay, that's it. So, okay, no problem. Can you please send? Then immediately this person is going to ask, sir, in the WhatsApp, can you please, I'm typing hello. Can you please type hi? Like, array, sir, in the WhatsApp, can you please type hi? Like, this person is going to ask customer. Then immediately he's going to type what? That's all. He's going to type what? Hi, hi, hi. That's it. So we are always feeling, array, the typing hi, what there inside, man? Typing hello, what there inside, man? Okay. Typing hello means, I committed. Okay, I committed. Can you please share the information? The cinema is going to start. Okay, committed. That small commitment they are taking indirectly. It's a small commitment. What will happen is continued, continued, continued. Okay, this is a second point. Small commitment. A small commitment for the bigger things. Next thing, immediately, after 2 days or after 3 days, you made a phone call. Sir, have you saw the brochure and photos? Okay, like, too good. Yeah, I saw. Seems to be good, man. Like, sir, this Sunday, just I'm going there. Office car only. We are not required to pay single paisa also. Next, even we will have lunch also there. Okay, just like a trip. Why don't you join with me? Just we will go. Just get the knowledge, sir. You are not required to buy at all. Just the knowledge, sir. You are not required to buy. Why don't you come with me? Like, anyway, Saturday, Sunday, holiday only. What you are going to do staying in the house, sir? Please. Why don't you come with me? So that we will. Okay. Array, seems to be good. The company car will come to my house and they will pick up and they will drop. Happily, shall we? Just we will go. Array, that hello message leads to buying a plot man automatically. That's a technique the people are using. Remember that. That is a technique the people are using. Small commitment. And then, will be continuation by default will be there.